Oh.
Forgot to look in the door.
Yep.
Oh man. Oh my god, I got my nails done today.
All right, action.
Oh my god, I got my nails done today. I got till right now. Yes.
I'm filming them. This is awesome.
Finished storyboards, drew it all.
Action.
Hey! No, Eli's not here. No, I don't really like him very much.
All right.
Hey! No, wrong number. Oh, I'm tired of you calling. Please leave me alone! Look, she's on the phone. Unbelievable. She's playing her part by being on the phone.
All you have to do is go back to that, the monthly, bookkeeping, that, what their name.
Why are you taking
this?
I can't see. Oh, there we go. Perfect. That light was.
Don't hold your breath.
I didn't.
That was beautiful.
Hey! Oh, hold on! Wait, wait. Oh. Hey! Hey! Come on in! Not panic?
No, I just act it and then we'll fine tune it.
Let's know exactly what we're gonna do. So we all kind of know. So.
One moment. Okay. That's all you need, Mike.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't even look this time.
That's awesome. That was good.
You're laughing. There's my pants out. I couldn't help
See,
myself.
I knew he couldn't refrain of not getting on the floor before he was supposed to.
I'm just saying stuff.
I couldn't help myself. I don't know what it was. It was.
It was the pizza.
No, it was before the last take. I didn't have a straight face coming in.